Hello Taurus, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Now this is your career, money and business reading for the week 13 July to 19 July. Now Taurus, let's see what's in your card. As I remember your previous readings, there were a lot of, you are putting lot of effort, lot of hard work into so many things, and there's a good news to share. That Mercury goes forward finally from 13 July, and things which were stuck, which was not working, maybe you finished everything and in the last page it got stuck, will slowly start rolling, maybe regarding business, job or money situation, anything. So things will move forward from now, so we can just, it's a good news for all of us. So let's see what the cards have for you, Taurus. Eight of Cups. Now I feel with this Eight of Cups, you are moving away from a certain situation. Like previously, you had thought something you would be doing, something different. Some of you, I mean it's not for all of you, it's a general reading. So you are moving away from a certain thing that you had planned earlier for your life or maybe or your business, and now you are not interested in that. Maybe situations have changed, certain things have changed, and now your plans are different. For some of you, you are moving into another direction. With this Moon card, still for some of you, you are not clear which direction, but you have just given away on one direction and you want moving forward, but still you are in dark. There's still so many things to work out. With this card, I feel, Taurus, this Eight of Cups card. King of Pentacles. Some of you will be rewarded multifold. Whatever, it's returns coming multifold. It's expansion. It's, I mean, you are going to grow your money. Maybe agricultural way, real estate, bonds, shares, mutual funds, all that. It's a beautiful card, King of Pentacles, for some of you. And you have this tremendous skills now. You have learned, with your, everybody learns through their ups and downs. So you have extensive knowledge, you have learned, and you have great skills to grow your money, or you're growing your money. So King of Pentacles card, one of the most beautiful. You are feeling powerful. People come to you for your advice. They think that you have great knowledge now, and you can show them the light, like how to go about a certain business situation or a work situation. So you're very popular, Taurus, now among your friends and people around you, and you are also putting a lot of focused effort in what you are doing. You are the center of attraction within your people. So one more card, Taurus. Temperance. You're trying to balance. Some of you see, initially you have there were a lot of ups and downs. So Temperance card, it's a card of trying to balance yourself. You have learned from your past and present, you are presently, and you are in your present, which you want to carry it forward to your future. So you need a sense of balance, which most of you are trying to do now, in terms of balancing your emotions, balancing your professional, whatever you have, the goals, your professional goals. And it's like beautiful healing card also for some of you, like you are healing from that past backstabs and failures or whatever for some of you had. So you are healing from that. So very nice card, Taurus. So let us see one more card. Queen of Cups. So that's what all the cards, Queen of Cups is like, I feel it usually shows that emotionally, you are feeling balanced now from your recent past. You have with Temperance and Queen of Cups together coming one after another. I feel that the balance, you need to balance more, and emotionally you will start feeling better. You will be kind, you will be caring towards your people. You are gentle now. you have less, I mean, there is less aggression in your behavior if you did have before. So this is what I have, Taurus, for this week. All the best, and if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is it. See you next week reading.